Hello, welcome. In today's video, we are unboxing a ukulele that is available on Amazon, and from what I've seen, it contains everything that a beginner would like. And if we're making the box a competition, the box is pretty sweet too. People with long hair. Does it ever happen that in the winter your hair gets all weird, like static? That is my hair right now, I'm sorry. Okay, look at this box. It has all of the ukulele body parts making the drawing of a ukulele. So we have tuner, the strings, frets. That is so cute, right? Even over here it says like rosette and sound hole and body, waist. That's all really cute. I mean, the box is not something you keep, but I like that they went and paid attention to that. This just makes a really good first impression, I guess is what I'm trying to say. When you open the box, you will see a gig bag. The ukulele comes inside the gig bag. Every time that we do an unboxing, we review the gig bag and the accessories just to see what else comes with my instrument. The gig bag has a little bit of a lining, and then it has part of a bass clef on the front with Van Gogh, which is the brand's name. It is lightly padded on the front and the sides. The front pocket is pretty deep. You would be able to fit your tuner, a notepad. It has one strap on the back, one strap on the side. So the gig bag is not amazing, but you're getting a gig bag. Now something that is more impressive is once you open the box, you do get a velvet case, and I think this is where all the accessories are. Let's see, I'm just gonna pull things out of here. We have a how to play ukulele booklet. Oh, it's colored. Nice, okay, this is not bad. It shows you a few chords, it has some music notation, and it has some tips. So I think a lot of thought went into that, and it's kind of thicker than the ones I usually get. Some will usually have like basic chords and like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but this looks like it went into more depth. Like it's teaching you strumming patterns and a little bit more. So very nicely done. Okay, we're getting a strap. This looks like it's guitar quality because it's so thick, but it is the length for ukulele. So the strap looks really nice. Very nicely done. It's nice, it's thick, it's adjustable. It's a really good material. Heavy duty. By the way, the rep from Van Gogh let me know that they're going to give some discount codes. So I'll add her email down below and you can ask her about a discount code. Okay, we have a finger rhythm shaker. What are these called? So when you're strumming, you put this on your finger, and as you're strumming, you get a little shaker sound in there. What? You get a kazoo? What? That is so cute. I did not expect that. This is so exciting. Okay, we get a clip-on tuner. Let's see if the battery comes with it. Sometimes it doesn't, and I get a little sad. Will it turn on? What do you think? Comment down below. Will it turn on? I'll give you 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh, you know what? I was gonna say no, but yeah, the battery is included on the side. Boom! It works. Awesome. Thank you so much. I've gotten some without a battery, and it's a little disappointing, but this one has it. Yay! Oh, replacement strings, and this is so cute. Okay, so this is a pick holder, and it comes with a pick. You put it in there, and then it has a sticky side. So you can stick this on your actual instrument, or like on your microphone stand, or on your music stand, or wherever you want to. I'm gonna be giving this ukulele away, so I won't stick it anywhere, but it's still really cool, right? So all of that came in this little velvet bag. All of this would fit in the front pocket of the gig bag, so nice. Now let's look at the instrument. I'm gonna hide this rubber band from my kitties, just to be safe. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, that is pretty. Ooh, I love abalone inlays. That's when you get that like seashell type of design on the rosette and around the instrument. So let's go through the ukulele slowly, then we'll do a playing demo. Okay, on the head we have this kind of cutout shape. I don't know that I've seen anything like that before, so it looks like brands are getting pretty unique with their cutouts. We have nice geared tuners. We have the tag that says we have Aquila Super Nile Gut strings. Those are a standard. Very, very, very nice low action, and looks like it's, oh yeah, that's comfortable. That's really comfortable. Yeah, I'm happy about that. Sometimes ukuleles will have action that's a little high, And even though these are Aquila, for some reason they're really soft. They're not as hard to press. Interesting. And then the strings come all the way down here to this bridge, which is kind of a darker color that matches the instrument. This is a concert-sized instrument, and we have two of the strap buttons. We have two strap buttons. Okay, now look, going down the fingerboard, the fret wires are really sharp. Let me get closer to the camera so you can hear them. Can you hear that? That's like my hand going down the sides. Yeah, that would hurt. Oh my gosh! I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it left lines. Yeah, ouch. That is sharp. We have fingerboard markers on the front. We do not have them on the side. I do like them on the side because it encourages good posture. But this is easy. If you have like that whiteout pen or nail polish, you can just mark the little dots on the side. That's fine. So not having the fingerboard markers on the side wouldn't discourage me from buying a ukulele. Now the body has a really beautiful kind of aged wood design to it, and we have that on the back as well. And then the sides are different, and they're all brought together by this kind of dark binding. And then in the front we also have an abalone inlay, abalone rosette, giving us a very aged, antique looking ukulele. I love the look of it. The only thing I don't love is those fret wires. And even the fret wires are like a brass color, which makes it all look nice. But yikes, these things are sharp. Someone just started doing construction outside my window. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Okay, my thoughts on the instrument. It is very nice looking. The accessories are great. The gig bag, I don't like it. My only concern with this instrument really is like the sharpness of the fret wires. It left my skin marked, like it left a mark. Now, is this something that would make me say don't buy the ukulele? No, of course not. Like, this is something that you could sand, or you can take it to a music shop and they would sand it. It would be done in a few minutes. It's not like the whole ukulele is bad, but this is a review, and in a review I have to tell you all the pieces, even if there are some that are not great. And so this is just part of the review. It's all part of the game. The companies know that this is part of the game. You know that it's part of the game, and I know that as well. So it has a gig bag, great accessories. The tuner, oh my goodness, I love it. It has nice geared tuners. And then we have Aquila strings. It's a beautiful looking instrument. A lot of thought clearly went into putting this together. So I wouldn't discount the whole brand for this, and maybe I just got a bad ukulele. So I just wanted to give this ukulele to someone who is an active subscriber and leaves nice comments all the time. So yeah, thank you. I just always want to show my appreciation to you. And I'm gonna try my best to sand these down before I send them out to a subscriber, because I don't want them to get cuts on their skin. But yeah, this is the review of the Van Gogh ukulele. Lots of pros. That's the only concern. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. I always encourage the brand to look at the questions and answer whenever possible. I try to answer whenever possible as well. Hope that you enjoyed this, and hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!